Hi guys, my name is Crystal Francis. Welcome back to my channel. This is Quick Tip Tuesday, but it's getting put up a little late, and I'm sorry about that, guys. But anyway, I had something I wanted to share with you guys. So the lipstick that I have on today is Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Megalast Liquid Catsuit in the shade, let me find some eyes so I can not fib to you. Coral Corruption is the shade I've got on my mouth right now. That looks like this. It's a really pretty, I think it's a matte pumpkin color. That's my personal opinion. I don't think that it's very much a coral, but I think it's more pumpkin. And you can see that's the swatch there on the back of the hand. Now, my quick tip is you can do with liquid lipsticks the same things that you do with regular lipstick. And if you were doing this with a regular lipstick, this would just be a matte, darker, maybe a nude color for you, whatever. This is Milani's Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream. And these smell so good. Oh, they just smell so good to me. If you are scent sensitive, you might not like these, but this is the second swatch here, and I don't know if you guys can catch that, where this one is metallic. See, it kind of has that sheen to it, and this one is matte. Now, what I'm going to do is I've already applied the Coral Corruption from Wet n Wild to my lips. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and put this in the center of the bottom, and then on the Cupid's bow, oh Lord, she's messy, and just bring it just right outside the Cupid's bow. Excuse me, I'll fix that. Hashtag she's so messy. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can scoot you in really close. When you use just try to ignore my hideous application technique. When you apply a metallic or a frosted color in the center there, you can kind of see it a little bit there. When you apply a frosted or a metallic lip in the center, lip color, it will give you fullness and 3D effect. You know, I'm all about the 3D effect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is in the shade 03 Matte About You. But any, you know, metallic shade or frosted shade that looks similar to another color that you're going to be using. And see, the outsides are matte and the inside looks very full and has sheen. And I'm not a lip gloss girl, so for sheen and stuff like that, I go frosty. Anyway, so happy Quick Tip Tuesday. I love you guys. Bye-bye. See you later.